do it.
Hey guys, this is Versatile from Project Phoenix Media. So I want to do a quick demo of this awesome Dreamcast controller adapter that I recently got. This is the Brook series. And basically what it does, it allows you to connect a PS3 or PS4 controller or a compatible fight stick to this dongle here. And with this dongle, you connect to your Dreamcast, and then you can use your PlayStation controller. It's awesome, and it'll work wirelessly. So what you get in the box is you get a Brook sticker, novelty factor here. And then you also get a set of instructions. In this instruction booklet, it shows you how to connect the adapter to your Dreamcast. It also shows you how to remap the buttons if you wish, how to set up a turbo button, and also how to reset. So let's do this. So let's say you want to connect it for the first time. So how it works is you connect the adapter to your Dreamcast. There is no VMU, so you're going to need another controller that has the VMU if you have saved games to load. So let's say you're trying to connect a Ps4 controller for the first time. So connect a USB cable. And then next what you want to do is connect that cable to your controller. You only have to do this the first time to register it. And then press the PS button. And here we see it's linked. This is red. Disconnect the cable. And then you're linked. So that's it. See, here we are. We're good to go. So let's go to the TV real quick and showcase the PS4 controller working. It's pretty awesome. So I can press start, which is the PS button. Let me turn up the audio a little bit here. And let's go to training. So the original Dreamcast controller is a nice controller, but it's not for me in terms of fighting games. It just hurts my hands after a while. So I was really glad, really happy, excited to use like a PS3 or PS4 controller. So let's go ahead and do this. So we see that I can do the moves here. And everything is lagless. I don't feel any lag. It's awesome. So let's say you want to do like a PS3 controller. So what I'm going to do here is I already had a controller already registered before. So I'm just going to disconnect this to reset it. Reconnect. And then here, go ahead and do this. Since I did the USB cable method earlier, and it already remembers it, it's synced, wireless, it's awesome. So now we go back to TV. And let's do this. So you can get this from PlayAsia, eBay, Amazon. I think it's like 40 bucks, roughly around there. So I think it's a good investment, especially if you want to do old school gaming with your favorite PlayStation controller. So that's today's video game controller demo tutorial. You guys have any nitpicky questions, leave a comment here on the YouTube page. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.